What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a 500 gram cake from Sunwing Fireworks called Sound the Alarm. It's a 500 gram cake, has 24 shots. It says it lasts about 28 seconds. Let's take a look, see at the performance here. We got here on the side. There's the colors it shows you. Levels medium height, loudness 8 out of 10. Performance says strong brocade, tall blast brocade crown with white and green strobe from left to right. Whistling tail to chrysanthemum falling leaves, neon purple with multi strobes. In with spinning tail to full chrysanthemum. That is Sound the Alarm from Sunwing. There's the, take a look at the bore pattern, shot pattern, the bore size. As you can see, it's angled. So make sure you got it facing in the right direction for your crowd. Those are about 1 inch bore size. So decent for a 500 gram cake. So that is Sound the Alarm from Sunwing. Let's take it out and see how she looks.